Hello guys, I'm You cannot find my video. You got me jumping like boom chakalaka boom chaka. Boom boom chakalaka boom chaka. Boom. You cannot escape.
I'm gonna delete your YouTube.
No! Do not delete my YouTube!
If you don't erase that, I'm gonna delete your YouTube.
You want to run. Roar. Roar. I'm Skibidi. I'm Skibidi. I'm Skibidi.
Can you join me?
Okay.
Yeah, if you do this game one more time, me and Ethan are gonna. Ethan has a monster truck right now, so he's gonna kill you and I'm gonna launch.
Why did you not?
I'm gonna launch you with my rocket launcher, and you'll go straight to heaven.
No, I go straight to Mount Inasal. Where's Julia?
Inasal is serious?
Yeah. Yego. Gino.
Ayan, pag kayong tatlo, hindi kayo nag-aaway-aaway, oh. Diba? Yan ang gusto ko. Kaya bibilang ko kayo ng jal. Oh, dahil may ganyan kayong tatlo, bibilang ko kayo ng ramen. Kuroda. Ha?
I kidding.
Hindi, ramen kuroda, bibilang ko kayo, okay? Share kayo, okay? O, tara na, doon na kayo maglaro sa bahay. Nandun na yung ramen nyo, yung kuroda. Share kayo tatlo. Sige na! Saan ba yung damit? Nandun na kayo sa labas, di mo magalit.
Big boat.
Yellow.
Big boat.
Yeah.
I'm recording you, no. And it's time to say goodbye. So happy friends. Julia abandoned me.
Abusha! I want to go there. It's Habusha! Habusha! It's Habusha MNG!
Julia, that's not Julia.
Habusha!
Julia.
Habusha!
Julia abandoned me. Hindi Julia. Tama si Juma.
It's fine. Let's make a room. With the three of us in the brigade. And Julia, only bully.
Let's go! No, Julia is eating with someone, not me. When Kiwi Cake joins me, she will definitely
Punch Julia in the head because I'm the oldest in the group.
Yeah. What are you? Yeah. Kiki. Wait, look, I'm video.
Yeah, if you call me Kiki again, I'm gonna punch you.
Kiwi Cake, help me. Help me. Look at Julia. She's with another friend. Go to the 3 rooms.
The way you called me Kiki is so sus.
No, I'm calling you Kiwi.
No, what do you mean Kiwi Cake?
Here.
That's Habusha, man. Man, we don't have rooms. I'm gonna die.
Wait, follow me. Follow me.
Okay, okay.
No, now let's revenge Julia. Now let's revenge Julia. Come here.
Go outside.
Bro wants to go outside now with the kid.
Goodbye. Let's go out. Let's go out.
Yeah.
Let's do the alone. Yeah.
Forsaken Ethan, bro!
Yeah, I sit with
Apple cake! Apple cake. Apple! Cake. Now follow us. Now follow us. Mango's here! Now she felt bad for the whole...
Yeah, this is the one one. Where's Habushi?
Naomi and Mango are facing each other. Girl, let's go now. Girl. Apple! Cake! Apple! Why is Mango sad now? I will touch your kiki. And she leaves.
I got your key.
And she leaves.
Oh!
What? Where's Ethan's forsaken bro?
I'm gonna buy a room. For me, Ethan, and
Let's go!
No, Biang, don't go inside. This is me and Ethan only. Fine, you can go inside. Ethan, let's switch seats. No, Onion! Yan. Oh. Yan, this is the boys only area.
Okay, bye-bye.
Ano what you just eat on your own? Onion, this is yours. This is mine, and this is
Apple! A few more times I got Tikabuka and Tikabuka. I love Shut up with your dirty milk.
Habusha is so sad. What about you just eat with Habusha?
Who's Habusha?
Rambo.
Habusha. She leaves.
We're going to eat food. Lot our drinks.
What? It's so cool.
It's so sad.
That's so sad.
Yang look at me and look at all you did and Ethan. Look. Yang look. Yang look.
I'm having
Not see Ethan. Look. Onion and Ethan.
Yeah, there's such a big box.
While I'm a tiny memory.
Who's memory? I'm Julia. Look at Julia's color new. Uy! Ito! Uy, ito!
Ba't gumawa pa kayo ng group chat?
Bro, leave me in the group.
Patay ka kay Kaka.
Run! Strawberry cake!
Patay kayo sa kaka nyo.
What time?
Hindi nyo inad sa ano. Hindi nyo inad ha? Patay kayo. Patay kayo dyan. Wala na tayo magagawa. Alam mo na. Yeah. Isa na ba? Oo, ako yun.
Pwede ka namin.
Ba't sinadyo ako sa group chat? Di si Kaka.
Bruh. Seriously? Daya nila doon.
Anong daw?
Daya daw kayo. Sabi ni Kaka.
Bruh, so everything. Look, my cake is breaking.
Sino ba maingay dito?
Siyempre.
Lahat kayo maingay? Saan kayo nag-aaral?
Wait, let me see if there's room.
Wait lang, join niyo ako.
Ang ingay!
Bro, someone leave me